In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Nvidia Error 0xE60000 quick and easy guide. The Nvidia Error 0xE60000 usually shows up when the Nvidia control panel or GeForce experience fails to communicate properly with your GPU driver. It often happens after a driver update, corrupted installation, or when Windows updates clash with Nvidia's software. The good news is that fixing it is quick if you know the right sequence. The fastest solution is to reinstall your Nvidia drivers cleanly, go to Nvidia's official website, download the latest Game Ready or Studio driver for your GPU, and during installation choose the Custom Advanced option. There, tick Perform a clean installation. This wipes out old, corrupted files that usually trigger error 0xE60000. If the error started right after an update, you can also try rolling back to the previous stable driver from Device Manager. Just search for Device Manager in here in the search bar. Now click on Open. Go ahead and click on Display Adapters. Now right click and press on Properties. Go ahead and click on Driver. Finally, press on Rollback Driver. If that doesn't solve it, the next step is to reset Nvidia services. Press Win plus R, type Services, MSC, and restart the Nvidia Display Container LS service. This service is what allows Nvidia Control Panel and GeForce Experience to launch correctly. Restarting it often clears the error instantly. Another quick fix is to disable conflicting software, especially overlay tools like Discord, Mississippi Afterburner, or third-party performance boosters, since these can interfere with Nvidia's background services. Running GeForce Experience as administrator is also a simple trick that resolves permission conflict. A useful pro tip is to always install drivers directly from Nvidia rather than relying on Windows Update, which sometimes pushes buggy or outdated builds. Also, if you're gaming on a laptop, make sure Windows isn't forcing integrated graphics over your Nvidia GPU in graphics settings. Yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching this video.